Imagine a world where solar panels are installed faster, safer, and more efficiently than ever before. Meet Maximo, the AI-powered robot revolutionizing solar energy. Today, ICE Corporation unveiled Maximo, a groundbreaking robot designed to work alongside human teams, accelerating solar project construction. We're excited to share Maximo with the world today, Beam's ICE Chief Product Officer Chris Shelton. Our goal is to supercharge the workforce delivering clean energy. Maximo automates the heavy lifting and repetitive tasks of placing and attaching solar modules, enhancing speed, efficiency, and safety on job sites. Utility-scale solar panels often weigh over 60 pounds, requiring installers to bend and lift heavy loads hundreds of times. Maximo takes on this burden, protecting workers from physical strain. Maximo has already installed nearly 10 megawatts of solar and is projected to install 100 megawatts by 2025, including powering Amazon operations at the Oak Ridge Solar Project. ICE insists Maximo will not replace human jobs but rather create new high-tech opportunities, aiming to double the workforce as solar demand triples by 2035. Maximo's AI-powered features include precise panel placement, continuous learning for optimal performance, and image reconstruction to handle various lighting conditions. Maximo can perform in diverse climates and has been validated across multiple U.S. project sites, proving its reliability and efficiency in real-world conditions. As the solar industry scales, Maximo will empower teams for faster, more competitive installations, opening doors to a new era of clean energy. Maximo is our buddy, our co-worker, says Rodrigue. Together, we're building the future. Slide over, solar installers, Maximo is here to handle the heavy lifting. Today the ICE Corporation unveiled a first-of-its-kind AI-powered solar installation robot, Maximo, which works alongside human teams to accelerate project construction. We're excited to share Maximo with the world today, Beamed ICE Chief Product Officer Chris Shelton. The goal here is to supercharge the workforce that delivers clean energy. Maximo aims to enhance the speed, efficiency, safety, and scalability of solar installation by automating the placing and attaching of solar modules, explained Ron Rodrigue, Vice President of Project Management at ICE. Utility-scale solar panels often weigh 60 pounds or more, and installers have to bend and lift heavy loads hundreds of times over the course of a single job. I think where Max really makes a difference is it takes away that heavy lifting, the repetitiveness wearing down on people and bodies, suggested Rodrigue. We have a ton of data to show if we can improve that, it's net beneficial. That's really intense work, added Shelton. Maximo will not take any human jobs, ICE insists, noting its staffing on job sites has not changed since Maximo joined the workforce. The robot has already installed nearly 10 megawatts of solar and is projected to install 100 megawatts by 2025. Previously, Maximo helped power Amazon operations at the Oak Ridge Solar Project in Louisiana, its first utility-scale deployment. We call it Max, like a companion or a pet, smiled Shelton. It does have that feel to it, and the crews have reflected that on the sites. Invented and owned by energy company and developer ICE, Maximo was programmed using a wide range of Amazon Web Services, AWS, tools, including AWS RoboMaker, a cloud-based simulation service that enables robotics developers to run, scale, and automate simulation. ICE expects to use Maximo to help build up to 5 gigawatts of its solar backlog and pipeline over the next 3 years. That includes the 2 gigawatts Belfield project in Kern County, California, which is currently the largest solar plus storage project in the country, and has an offtake agreement with Amazon. It will begin installing at Belfield in August. We are facing unprecedented increases in demand, driven in large part by the rise of AI and data centers, and innovations like these will be fundamental for accelerating our ability to bring projects online faster and with greater efficiency, said Andrzej Gluski, ICE President and CEO. ICE says Maximo can install solar panels in half the time and at half the cost. It will not only accelerate project timelines but also create new high-tech jobs and provide new opportunities for the human workforce. Basically, the company hopes adding AI-powered automation will open up the field to more humans, not less. We are not focused on eliminating or replacing people in this equation, confirmed Shelton. It's actually just the opposite. We want to bring more people into this workforce. As we start to evolve this, we open up the door to different workers. It's not necessarily that heavy strenuous job now, it's more about controlling the unit, noted Rodrigue. According to the IEA, by 2035, solar annual additions are expected to triple, and the workforce will need to nearly double. There is more than 1 million megawatt of utility-scale solar being developed right now. The U.S. solar industry is setting an impressive pace, installing about 15,000 modules per hour, weighing 1 million pounds, said Shelton. Looking ahead, this installation rate is projected to reach 50,000 modules per hour by 2035. In response to this exponential growth, we are scaling Maximo, deploying fleets of continually improving robots to empower our teams for faster and more competitive installations. Maximo can perform in a broad range of climates and lighting conditions and has been validated in the field across a variety of U.S. project sites. Daisei Yumi-Asami, head of renewable technology and innovation at ICE, says Maximo can manage the complete installation of solar panels and learns with every installation and each module it handles. Maximo is like equipment, she quipped. A tool for our construction workforce that helps them be more productive and to keep systems going the entire time we're on site. The crews are looking at Max as their buddy, their coworker, who will help get their job done efficiently and safely, added Rodrigue. Maximo's AI-powered features include AI-powered computer vision, aims to ensure precise panel placement, continuous learning, adapting for optimal performance and driving efficiency improvements. Image reconstruction, proprietary generative AI pipeline that reconstructs images obscured by glare or related lighting conditions. Other companies have unveiled somewhat similar autonomous solutions aimed at accelerating project construction. Last year, Terabase Energy and Sarco's Technology and Robotics Corporation introduced systems that they say will improve project timelines, quality, and safety. Terafab's automated field factory combines a digital twin of the project site, advanced supply chain and inventory management systems, an on-site wireless digital command center, a field-deployed automated assembly line, and installation rovers to allow for automated, 24/7 construction. Each Terafab unit is capable of installing up to 1 gigawatt per year. In November 2023, Terabase Energy announced the successful completion of its first commercial project built using its automation platform, which installed 17 megawatts of the 225 megawatts White Wing Ranch solar project in Arizona. Sarco signed an agreement with Blattner Company to refine its own autonomous mobile robotic system for utility-scale solar construction. It uses a mobile platform with an attached robotic arm to place individual panels one by one with the assistance of workers in the field.